Hey gearheads! Today we're diving into the world of Lamborghini. These Italian beauties are known for their screaming engines and head-turning designs. But did you know Lamborghini started by building tractors? Yep, you heard that right. Ferruccio Lamborghini, the man behind the legend, was a farmer's son. He knew his way around engines. After World War II, Italy needed tractors. Lamborghini was the guy to build them. His company, Lamborghini Trattori, became a huge success. Ferruccio had a knack for business and a passion for mechanics. He built a tractor empire, but Ferruccio also loved fast cars. He owned a Ferrari, but he wasn't happy with it. The clutch kept breaking, and Ferruccio was fed up. He complained to Enzo Ferrari himself, but Enzo brushed him off. That's when Ferruccio decided to show Enzo how a sports car should be made. He sold some of his tractors and poured the money into his own car company. In 1963, Automobili Lamborghini was born. Talk about a gearhead with a dream. Now let's talk about this Ferrari feud. Ferruccio Lamborghini was a man who knew what he wanted. And what he wanted was a better sports car than Ferrari. See, Ferruccio loved driving his Ferrari 250 GT, but it had a weak clutch. He even told Enzo Ferrari how to fix it. Enzo basically told him to stick to tractors. That didn't sit well with Ferruccio. He saw an opportunity to outdo Ferrari. He wanted a car that was powerful and luxurious, a car that wouldn't break down on him. And boy, did he deliver. The first Lamborghini, the 350 GT, was a masterpiece. It was sleek, powerful, and turned heads wherever it went. This rivalry became the stuff of legends. It pushed both companies to innovate and create some of the most iconic cars in history. Talk about turning lemons into lemonade. Lamborghini's history is packed with legendary cars, each one a testament to Italian design and raw power. Take the Miura, for example. This sleek beauty, launched in the 60s, was a game-changer. With its mid-engine layout and stunning looks, it redefined what a supercar could be. Often considered the world's first supercar, the Miura set the standard for high-performance, exotic cars and solidified Lamborghini's reputation as a leader in automotive design and engineering. The Lamborghini Miura was introduced in 1966 at the Geneva Motor Show, instantly capturing the attention of the automotive world with its revolutionary design and performance. The Miura's low, sleek and curvaceous body was a radical departure from the boxy designs of the time. Its mid-engine layout was revolutionary, placing the engine behind the driver to improve balance and handling. The Miura was powered by a 3.9-litre V12 engine, which was derived from Lamborghini's earlier 400 GT model. This engine was mounted transversely, a configuration rarely seen in production cars at the time. The Miura produced 350 horsepower, allowing it to reach top speeds of over 170 miles per hour, 275 kilometers per h, making it one of the fastest cars of its era. With its advanced suspension and lightweight construction, the Miura offered exceptional handling and agility, providing a thrilling driving experience. The Miura's success paved the way for future mid-engine supercars and influenced the design and engineering of many subsequent Lamborghini models, including the Countach, Diablo and Aventador. The Miura became an instant icon, appearing in films, music videos and popular culture, further enhancing its legendary status. Today, the Miura is one of the most sought-after classic cars, with well-preserved examples fetching millions of dollars at auctions. The Lamborghini. Miura's combination of groundbreaking design, engineering innovation and exhilarating performance has secured its place as one of the most iconic and influential cars in automotive history. Its legacy continues to inspire and define the supercar genre. The Countach, another icon, arrived in the 70s with its futuristic wedge shape and signature scissor doors. This car was pure drama on wheels. And let's not forget the Diablo. This beast, launched in the 90s, packed a V12 engine that could hit insane speeds. It was the poster car for a generation. From the elegant Espada to the sharp-edged Murcielago, each Lamborghini model has a story to tell. They're not just cars, they're rolling works of art. Each one is a testament to Lamborghini's commitment to pushing boundaries and building cars that ignite the imagination. Lamborghini's involvement in the racing world has been a testament to its engineering prowess and competitive spirit. From the early days of the Miura to the modern Huracán GT3, Lamborghini has consistently pushed the boundaries of speed and performance on the track. The brand's dedication to racing has not only enhanced its technological advancements, but also solidified its reputation as a maker of some of the most thrilling and capable cars on the planet. The journey began with the Miura, a car that not only dominated the streets but also made its mark in competitive racing. Lamborghini's engineers took the lessons learned from the racetrack and applied them to their road cars, creating a continuous feedback loop of innovation and improvement. Fast forward to the present, and Lamborghini's racing pedigree is embodied by the Huracán GT3. This beast of a machine is a marvel of modern engineering, featuring a lightweight carbon fiber body, advanced aerodynamics, and a roaring V10 engine. The Huracán GT3 has claimed numerous victories in prestigious racing series around the globe, proving that Lamborghini's commitment to performance extends far beyond the showroom floor. But it's not just about winning races, it's about the relentless pursuit of perfection. Every race, every lap, every turn is an opportunity for Lamborghini to refine and enhance their cars. This dedication to excellence is what drives the brand forward, ensuring that each new model is faster, more agile, and more exhilarating than the last. Lamborghini isn't just about flashy designs, they're about pushing the limits of automotive technology. They were among the first to use lightweight materials like carbon fiber in their cars, making them incredibly fast and agile. And let's talk about those engines. Lamborghini's V12 engines are legendary for their power and that unmistakable sound. They're like symphonies of horsepower. Lamborghini is also at the forefront of hybrid technology. They're developing hybrid supercars that combine blistering performance with increased efficiency. It's all about finding new ways to make their cars faster, lighter, and more responsive. They never stop innovating, which is why they're always ahead of the curve. A legacy of power and prestige. Today, Lamborghini is still synonymous with luxury, performance, and that unmistakable Italian flair. Their cars are instantly recognizable, turning heads wherever they go. From the Aventador to the Urus SUV, Lamborghini continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in the automotive world. But more than just building cars, Lamborghini creates experiences. Owning a Lamborghini is a statement. It's about passion, exclusivity, and the thrill of getting behind the wheel of a true masterpiece of engineering. Lamborghini has come a long way from building tractors, but one thing remains the same: their unwavering commitment to building the most exciting cars on the planet. And that's why, for me and countless others, the roar of a Lamborghini engine will always be music to our ears.